Welcome to the Digital Teacher Planner, a complete offline classroom management tool that runs entirely in your browser as a single file. It works on laptops, desktops, tablets, iPads, and mobile devices. No installation, internet connection, or account is required. Everything you enter is automatically saved on your own device, giving you full control of your data. Use the planner to manage students, lessons, events, and your daily, weekly, and monthly schedules. You can easily add, edit, or delete planner blocks in all planning sections. Today's Planner. Today's Planner displays your daily schedule in a timeline format. Each entry includes a time, title, location, or subject, and a color tag for quick identification. Simply check the box to mark an activity as completed. To add a new item, click Add, enter the time and details, and save. Your new activity will instantly appear on the timeline. Weekly Planner. The Weekly Planner displays Monday through Sunday side by side, allowing you to organize your entire teaching week at a glance. Click on any day to add lesson blocks, activities, or important tasks. Monthly Calendar. The monthly calendar provides a full month view with color-coded events such as meetings, exams, and school activities. Click any date to create a new event, or select an existing event to edit or delete it. Lesson Planner. The Lesson Planner helps you create detailed lesson plans with ease. Each lesson can include the subject, topic, learning objectives, activities, required materials, homework, assessment methods, and a reflection section for reviewing the lesson afterward. To create a lesson plan, click Add Lesson, complete the required fields, and save. Your lesson plan is securely stored and can be searched whenever you. Birthday List. Birthday List automatically pulls birthdays from your student records and displays them in order so you never miss celebrating a student's birthday. Parent Contacts. Parent Contacts is a dedicated address book for parent and guardian contact information, separate from individual student profiles, for quick lookup when you need to make a call. Meeting Notes. Meeting Notes lets you log notes from parent-teacher meetings, staff meetings, or any other meeting, so there's a written record you can refer back to. School Events. School Events keeps track of school-wide events like science fairs or assemblies separate from your personal planning calendar. Notes. The Notes section is a general-purpose notepad. Each note has a title, a category, a date, and a body, useful for reminders that don't fit anywhere else, like classroom setup tasks. To Do. To Do is your task checklist. Each task has a priority, low, medium, or high, and a due date. Check a task off when it's done, or delete it once it's no longer needed. Click Add Task to create a new one. Quick Tools. Quick Tools is a shortcut panel for the actions you'll use most. Mark attendance, create a lesson, create an assignment, add a student, print the planner, and export or import your data, all one tap away without digging through menus. Settings. Profile and Appearance. Settings is where you manage your profile and the app itself. Under Teacher Profile, enter your name, school, subject, grade level, and academic year, then click Save Profile. Your name and school appear throughout the app. Under Appearance, you can toggle dark mode for low light use, choose your preferred date format, and switch the interface language. Settings, Data Management. Under Data Management, Export lets you download a full backup of your planner as a JSON file. Keep this safe or move your data to another device. Import lets you load a previously exported JSON backup, restoring all your data exactly as it was. Load Sample fills the planner with example content, which is a great way to explore the app's features before entering your own data. And Reset permanently clears everything, your profile, students, classes, schedules, and notes, back to a completely blank planner. This can't be undone, so only use it when you're sure or after you've exported a backup. 23. That's the full Digital Teacher Planner, One file, fully offline, and built to cover everything from daily scheduling to student records, grading, and communication, all in one place. A quick reminder, this planner is for single-user use only and is not licensed for resale. Thanks for watching.